Hi everyone, everything I'm going to show you has been tested by professional mechanics here in the shop, so don't worry, we're close to solving it. If your Honda Odyssey starts flashing the check engine light, don't ignore it like it's just a little reminder. A solid light can mean check it later, but a flashing one is basically the car shouting, stop, there's a serious engine problem, and if you keep driving, it's only going to get worse. The most common cause reported by mechanics here is a misfire, meaning one or more cylinders aren't burning the air-fuel mixture properly. This makes the engine shake, lose power, and send unburned fuel into the exhaust, which can damage the catalytic converter and lead to an expensive repair if ignored. Many mechanics say it feels like jerking or vibrations when accelerating or even at idle, and the check engine light flashes exactly when this happens. It's a serious warning. Mechanics agree that if you see this, you should stop the vehicle as soon as it's safe, because continuing to drive can make the damage worse. A frequent cause mentioned in forums is Honda's VCM system, which can sometimes allow oil to leak onto spark plugs or coils. This contaminates the plugs and causes misfires, triggering the flashing light. Many mechanics have solved the problem by replacing damaged spark plugs or coils, although sometimes another issue appears later if the system keeps leaking oil. Other reported issues include faulty sensors, like oxygen sensors, mass airflow sensors, or the exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) system. These sensors can alter the air-fuel mixture and also cause a misfire, lighting up the flashing check engine. That's why many mechanics recommend reading the OBD2 codes first, so you know exactly which cylinder or component is failing before spending money on random parts.